What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video. I know, finally, a lot of you guys have been asking where I've been, what I've been doing, where the content is. It's been over a year since I've uploaded any content to YouTube. We are finally back. And in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that's new, what we've been up to. So let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so much has been going on and there's so many new things happening that I'm not even sure where to start. I'm a little overwhelmed jumping back into video making, to be honest. But I guess we'll start with the first and foremost, the most obvious thing. I got another Lightning, as you guys can see right here. This is a 2000. Yes, it's got the 0102 wheels, but this is a 2000 Lightning. It is basically all stock under the hood, motor-wise. We'll pop that in a second. It has a 4.6 drop, so it's sitting pretty nice, sitting low. Actually looks really good. We'll pull it in the shop in a second, and we'll get to that in a second as well. But this is pretty nice shape. Like I said, mostly stock under the hood. It's got a 4.6 drop and a MagnaFlow. I believe it's a catback with internal X pipes. That's basically it, guys. Of course, it's got some cosmetic stuff like the wing and the cover. Let's see, it's got the smooth side steps, and I put the cowl hood from the red truck on it because I think carbon looks really good on black. It's a little more stealthy, but man, it looks really sharp. Aftermarket grills. I'm gonna do some headlights and fog lights soon because they're a little, you know, oxidized and fogged up. I might be able to polish them out, but I might just go ahead and replace them with some LMR ones. But anyways, let's go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys. It's not in bad shape. It's not perfect, but it is pretty nice for what I paid for it. Got nice little suede cards someone did on the doors. Interior, it's not too bad, just typical wear and tear. Could probably shave a lot of that down, and we'll go over how to do that. See, this truck's gonna bring a lot more potential on videos because I'll be able to show you, since it is basically stock, a lot more relatable content. The red truck kind of became unrelatable to a point because a lot of people have EGRs, stuff like that in the way when doing plugs, and now I'll be able to show you how to work around all that stuff because this truck, like I said, is basically bone stock under the hood. He did the turkey pan mod, which everyone should be doing, and a catch can, and it has a Harley upper pulley. So this is making slightly less boost than stock. It's making around 6 pounds of boost. He did that to detune it a little bit, keep it safe. This one says daily. So yeah, I actually kind of like that. Yeah, looks pretty good under the hood. It's a little dusty, can be used a little cleaning, but I mean, it's clean in general, if you know what I mean. It's dusty, not grimy. It looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and pull it into the shop so we can take a better look at it under the shop lights. Sounds pretty good for what it is. Get my keys. Fires right up. It's got a nice suede headliner too, pretty sharp. Back her into the shop. There we go. You can see it runs pretty good, no weird noises. Nice and smooth. It sounds pretty good, guys. Like I said, it's not in perfect shape. Does have some weird stuff with the clear coat there. It might be able to wet sand out, but not bad. Sharp looking truck. Yeah, so like I said, back in the Lightning game, guys. Super excited about this truck. It's gonna provide a lot of content for you guys. I plan on keeping it bone stock. I don't wanna do anything to it. I wanna keep this motor healthy, stock, simple. We have race truck over here. We don't need to get crazy with this one. I think I'm even gonna keep it detuned with the Harley pulley. Like I said, the Harley pulley is slightly bigger than the Lightning pulley, and you make 2 pounds less boost. So slightly detuned. I'm happy with that because this is gonna be just my cruiser, my daily. Take this thing to Lightning meets, that's it. This thing is not a race truck. I don't even want to put a lower pulley, tune, bolt-ons, nothing. I want to keep it bone stock. Yeah, really happy with that. We picked this up from Garrett from GA Performance in South Florida. Give him a follow if you guys haven't already. He has a Lightning shop dedicated only to these trucks. He does really cool stuff down there. He's doing Coyote swaps, GT500 swaps, anything you can imagine with these trucks, he does it. Really cool, really nice guy too. That's who we picked this up from. And I'm sure I'll be asked, so I'll just go ahead and say it. Paid $16K for this truck, and it is in really good shape for what we paid. Really happy with this purchase. I think it's got 185,000 miles on the chassis. He had just went through the whole engine. It's got a navigator block, all redone, refreshed, re-ringed, gasketed, etc. with 03 Lightning heads that are kind of built. I mean, it's got like upgraded retainers and springs and stuff like that, but basically all refreshed. So the whole motor's been gone through, less than 10,000 miles, something like that. Very low miles on the motor. And of course, when he went through everything from the bottom up has been cleaned, been through, intercooler cleaned, all the preventive maintenance done. This thing is just ready to drive. So super excited about that. Update on the red truck. A lot of you guys always ask what's going on with this thing. Absolutely nothing yet. Still sitting, no engine. Engine's right over here in the stand, but we are finally ready to get going on this. Hopefully it's just a head gasket, but I have a buddy coming to help me rip this thing apart, go through it, get the parts that we need, and rebuild this engine. Coming very, very soon. We're gonna expedite that process. But as you can see, we've been a little busy and we got a new shop. This is where all future content is gonna be coming from. You can see my new shop here. It is a 30 by 70 pole barn. We got plenty of room for activities now, guys. I mean, I have so much room that you always say, I don't know how I'm gonna fill it. Of course, it fills up quicker than you realize, but I mean, just take a look at all the space we got. It is awesome, but it has also kept us very busy. Yeah, basically we bought some property, some acreage with the shop on it. It's a 30 by 70, like I said, but it does need some work. It's kept us very busy. The property itself needed some work. It's also kept us very busy. And that's why I haven't really been able to make videos. We've been really grinding and working hard towards getting this acreage, getting the house squared away. We bought the house, of course, and this shop was not as turnkey as we promised, was promised to us. So it's been a lot of work getting it kind of decent to move in, and there's still a lot of work to do. For example, the shop is not really sealed. So you can see the eaves of the roof go straight into the shop. There's nothing blocking stuff from getting in. You can see the light right there. So I need to put some soffits or something up there to allow it to breathe, but keep the critters out, because a lot of critters do get in here. Not sure how well you guys can see up there, but this place was full and infested with spiders. I mean, there are freaking spiders everywhere in here. Like I said, don't know how much you guys can see because the GoPro can't really zoom in, but it is full of webs, and there was literally spiders on everything when we first moved in. Of course, first thing we did is gut this place, and I had a pest control company come just literally soak the building with stuff. They've considered a pest control treatment, but really what they said is it kills everything. Then we put powder up there. We still have to remove all the cobwebs, all the old webs. that are literally just caked on everything up there. A lot of work still to be done, but we got it to a point where we were comfortable moving stuff in here. Of course, in all the vehicles, we put like peppermint balls, and underneath there's mothballs, and just doing what we can to keep critters and stuff out of everything. We have pest control come out once a month and spray the entire building all around the cracks and crevices and stuff. So ever since, we really haven't seen too many live spiders. So yeah, a lot of work to be done, but of course a lot of potential, guys. I love it here. It is awesome. If you guys want to see like a full property tour, let me know in the comments below. Not sure if that's something y'all will be into, or if you just guys want to keep it car shop related. But we are definitely back. Plenty of content to come. As you can tell, I got my 2 Lightnings in the stable now. Pretty cool to see. Still very surreal. Never thought I'd get a second one, so it's pretty awesome. But definitely a ton of content to come. So make sure you guys let me know what you want to see below. If you guys got any ideas for content, truck related, if you guys want to see like a shop build type thing, if you guys want to see a tour of the property and the acreage, let me know. Plenty of plans for out there as well. That's what's kept us so damn busy. I'd like to do like a orchard out there with some fresh fruits and stuff, and grow our own vegetables, and kind of turn this into a homestead type thing. Let me know if that's something y'all want to see. If not, maybe I'll make like a second channel for it. Although, don't really know how much time I'll have to do 2 channels when I can barely do 1. So I like to keep it all here. But if that's something y'all want to see, let me know. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure what else to say in this video. One of my next videos is going to be like going over everything to look out for when buying your first Lightning. Since I got one that's stock, I can kind of show you guys what I looked at when I looked to buy it, everything I went through, kind of the questions I asked, the things you'll want to look out for, common problems, different years, and what to look out for, etc. when buying your first Lightning. This is going to be one of the next videos I do. As well as just going over the truck, going through it, changing fluids, doing all my upfront maintenance. He said he did it, but I'm just really picky, and I'm still gonna go through the truck myself. So a lot of that to come. We are gonna do an engine build very soon with my buddy James. He's gonna come help me get this bad boy back on the street and making some power again. Coming soon, so stay on the lookout for that. Yeah, and like I said, if you guys got any ideas for the shop, I'm still trying to figure out how to plan this out. I kind of like the trucks staggered and angled like this, but I'm sure it's not the most efficient use of space. I definitely want to put a lift in here very soon. That's one of like the next things I want to do to the shop, because working on your back sucks. I have all this room. Why work on my back if I don't have to? Let's go ahead and put a damn lift in here. It'd be awesome. I kind of like the way it's laid out now. Like I said, maybe I'll do the lift here at an angle. That way when you pull into the shop door, you'll have the lift here at an angle. You can get, plenty of room to get axles out, whatever you need to do. Probably do a 2-post. And then eventually, I'd like to do a 4-post, maybe back in this corner. Be awesome to have a dyno behind it. That's just like a pipe dream, but who knows, maybe one day. Do freaking dyno days and stuff and be able to sit here and play with it, but that's a serious pipe dream. But maybe one day, that'd be pretty cool. All right, guys, well, I've yapped enough for this video, so make sure you drop a like on it. Really helps it out on YouTube. Subscribe for more. Plenty of Lightning content to come, shop build content. Let me know what content you want to see down below if you're interested in property content, all that good stuff. Also, leave a shout out to my son in the comments below, because he is actually the one who edited this video, and he's going to be probably editing the videos from here on forward. I've basically hired him to edit my videos in exchange for investment money for his investment account, and I think it'd be good for him and also free up a little bit of my time to work on the trucks, to shop, and the property. So shout out to him for editing the video. Let him know how he did below, and be a little easy on him. The videos, it'll take a little bit of time, but I think we'll get the hang of it. He's a pretty smart kid. But anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Later.